Figured I'd make a video on add-ons for a tractor. That's the wheel weights I happened across. Front wheel weights. They hold it underground a lot nicer. Got the gauge there. Keeps you from having to open the tank up all the time. And this special little thing here, anytime you want to use the tractor, just turn the power back on. Now all the power is disconnected from the tractor. Every once in a while you need to pull your steering wheel off. And I've had severe trouble hooking on to right there. I guess you could take a hammer and chisel and knock that in a little bit and be able to get your wheel puller on there. In the past, I've clamped onto this with my wheel puller, fastened it onto there. Other times, I've taken a sledgehammer and come in from underneath, just keep bashing this with my sledgehammer. But I've incorporated it with using a come-along and put it up there to the ceiling and pull on this, put a lot of pressure on it, and use the sledgehammer at the same time. And to my surprise, that sometimes it takes 10, 20, 30 whacks with a sledgehammer. Let me show you something else. You just, these are 3/16 thick and 2.5 inches across. You see that little white line there, 2 white lines. I just take a cutoff wheel and cut them out. And I make it into this puller. And it just fastens around the arms. Neatest thing I've ever seen. I ended up using 2 per side. I used 6 of them all together. Otherwise it tries to stretch and bend. Works real good. I like it. It's the neatest little thing. Just take a couple of nuts, and you got to put it at the top here. You can't put it on the sides because this here will try and split on you. You get more strength this way. It takes lots and lots of pressure to get that wheel to pull. I suppose too you could use them chain ends that come on. They got like hooks like that on a chain. You can weld them on there. Getting ready to do my power steering, electric power steering. Gonna put that on the tractor. It'll fit on a 600, 601, 851, all kinds of different Fords. That's some of my other hobbies. Well, anyway, hope this helps somebody out. I know I've had a problem for years doing that. Nothing but a pain. I got many other tractor videos, special little how-tos and stuff like that. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.